A shower isn't just a place to get clean. It's actually a place where maybe you can relax or escape from your day-to-day like kids. And in this episode, we're going to cover some of those elements that will help with that. So a zero entry shower, a sleek glass door, maybe a rain shower up from above, and a comfortable bench. Taking a regular shower into that spa-like experience. Let's get after it. Now for the secondary bath, we wanted to give it a little bit of that elevated look, but not spend a whole lot of money on it. So we did three components. We did do a zero entry in the shower, and that's particularly in case you ever have aging parents that may want to come and live with you. Having that zero entry in the shower and avoiding that trip hazard is definitely a must-have. It will have a glass door, frameless of course. And then we incorporated a bench. Now this bench is elevated, so it doesn't go all the way down to the floor, and I'll show you that in just one second. And right above it is a niche for your shampoo bottles and things like that. Now you may ask, why isn't it cut in yet? Now it's framed out behind, and when they put the cement rock on top of it, they left it in one plane. And that's because when they put the tiles on, they want that last tile before that niche opens up for the insert to be a full tile, not cut in half where you're left with a little sliver. That's the idea behind not cutting this niche out until the actual tiles start getting installed later. For the master bath, we incorporated a couple extra elements. We started out with the zero entry floor, so no trip hazard there. A frameless glass door that goes almost all the way up to the ceiling. This isn't a steam shower, so it didn't need to go all the way up. We have the rain bath coming in from above. We have a regular shower head off to the side, and the controls right next to the glass door when you enter, so that you don't have to be in the shower turning your water on and getting drenched before that water comes up to temperature. Off to the side, we have a bench like we do in all the other baths, and above it, because we have this triangular wall here, we're going to have 3 to 4 floating shelves. Let me know in the comments section which feature you like best. From zero entry showers to the transparency of glass, benches and niches, these are the elements that will take a regular shower and elevate it for that truly luxurious experience. Let us know in the comments section below which one you like best, and don't forget to subscribe for more home building tips. As always around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.